Still are, maybe.
My name is Patrick Joseph. I'm an artisan tailor. I went into it, okay, I had a brief. It was going to be a Dada hat making workshop. Other than that, I had no idea, because it was a complete new thing for me. It was a new school, first day. So actually I went in with a huge unknown about the whole project, other than my role in it was to facilitate the making of hats. We were in a building that some people had never been in before, had never worked in before, and yet from the outset it was absolutely fantastic. People were sharing ideas. Straight away people were picking fabric and things up and putting them around their head, and standing in front of a mirror that I only remembered to take on the morning of the day, and people just dropped straight into creating things. There was no one talked about the lack of skill they had. No one said they weren't hat makers. They went straight into creating things that could be worn on the head. As a creative, and having worked on catwalk fashion for many years, so straight away I was thinking about the parade at the end and finding parade-worthy product through these workshops, and it's happening. I'm very excited about what people are coming up with from this workshop.